Marigold, Book 1, Class 1, Unit 1, Three Little Pigs. Welcome to Hindi Kala Kendra. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button to get more of your desired content. Turn on the notifications by clicking on that bell near the subscribe button so that you get notified the earliest and fastest whenever we upload new content. If you love our content, then please share our channel with your friends and family members. Now, without wasting more time, let's get learning. Hello children, today we are going to study a story which is about three little pigs and a big bad wolf. Now, in this story, we are going to see three different types of houses. You must have seen a straw house, a house made of sticks, and a house made of bricks. So in this story, these three little pigs have a house of a straw, a stick house, and a brick house. But then the big bad wolf comes and troubles them. So let's see what happens. Three little pigs. Once there were three little pigs, Sonu, Monu, and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw, Monu lived in a house of sticks, and Gonu lived in a house of bricks. So as you can see here in this picture, this is Sonu and he has a house made of straw. This is Monu and he has a house made of sticks. And this is Gonu who has a house made of bricks. One day a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Now, here you can see that huff, puff and blow are underlined. Why are they underlined? Let's know their meaning. So huff and puff are basically two types of sounds made while blowing air out of the mouth. Okay? And blow means to leave air out of your mouth in a fast way, like the way you blow bubbles or balloons. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. The wolf went away and Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. Now, what happened here? He blew Sonu and Monu's house down because they were weak. Why they were weak? They were made of straw and sticks. So they were weak. But when the big bad wolf came to Gonu's house, he could not blow it down. Why was that? Because Gonu's house was made of bricks. See, it's written here. He could not blow the house which was made of bricks because it was very strong. That's why he had to go away. And Monu, Sonu and Gonu together lived in the strong brick house. New words. And, bad, big, but, not, one, pig, the, was. These are some new words that you will see in your story this time. Out of these words, you can see there are 4 pink words, right? Now, these words are new in the story, so we are going to use them in a sentence to understand them better. The wolf was big and bad. The pig was not big. Okay? Reading is fun. How many pigs were there? There were 3 pigs. What did the big wolf say to the pigs? He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." Let's talk. Was the wolf good or bad? The wolf was bad. Why was he bad? Because he blew Sonu and Monu's house down. What is your house made of? My house is made of bricks. Let's share. Who is good? Who is bad? So children, tell me as you read in the story, who is good? The pig. And who is bad? The wolf. So if someone asks, is the pig good or bad? What do we say? The pig is good. And if someone asks us, is the wolf good or bad? We say that he is bad. Let's act. Imagine you are at home when the wolf huffs and puffs. Act out the story of the wolf and the three pigs. You can do this with your brothers or sisters or friends. Okay? Just act out the story with them and you will know how it feels when the wolf huffs and puffs at your house. Say aloud. Say these words with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's draw. Join the dots from 1 to 10 to make the house. Then color the picture. From 1 we'll go to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, from 4 we'll head on to 5, from 5 we'll go to 6, from 6 we'll go to 7, then to 8, then we'll go to 9 and then finally we'll end it at 10. Look, you have made your house. Now you can color it as per your choice. There are farm animals, water animals and jungle animals in this picture. Help the animals reach their homes. Draw lines. First, let's see what all animals do we have here. We have a buffalo, a bear, a horse, a hen, a dog, a crocodile, a frog, a cow, a rhinoceros, a monkey and a giraffe. Now, out of these animals, some of them stay at the farm. A few of them stay at the water and the others stay in the forest or the jungle. So now let's see who goes where. Where do you think the buffalo will go? The buffalo goes to the farm. Where do you think the horse will go? It also goes to the farm. Where will the hen go? Will it go to the farm, the water or the jungle? Well, it goes to the farm too. The dog also goes to the farm. And finally, the cow also stays at the farm. Now, let's see who goes to the water next. Who goes to the water? The frog and the crocodile. The frog and the crocodile live in the water. Now, who is left? They will go to the jungle. So, the bear goes to the jungle, the rhinoceros goes to the jungle, the monkey goes to the jungle, and finally, the giraffe also stays in the jungle. So now here you can see the red line shows the animals staying at the farm. The blue line shows the animals staying in the water and the green line shows the animals staying at the jungle. Now let's sing this song. Bow wow, says the dog. Mew mew, says the cat. Bleat bleat, says the goat. Roar roar, says the lion. Hello hello, says the child. So what did we learn today? We learned that the pig is good, the wolf is bad, the straw and stick houses are weak, they can break easily. The brick house is strong, it does not break easily. We learnt new words. We acted how it would have been if the wolf huffed and puffed at our house. We drew a house and colored it. We learnt what type of an animal stays at a farm, a lake and the forest. Finally, click that like button and turn that black thumb blue if you enjoyed the lesson today. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestions and opinions. We would gladly accept them and reply as soon as possible. And if you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, then what are you waiting for? Quickly click on that red subscribe button to get more amazing content. Don't forget to check out your class's Hindi chapters. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for learning this lesson with me. Hope you enjoyed.